Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by downloading the Camera Manufacturer app from your App Store. Create an account with a verified email and set a secure password. Ensure your phone is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network as the camera. Have your Wi-Fi password ready to paste during setup. Plug the camera into a power outlet and wait for the LED indicator or spoken prompt. Keep the camera within 6 to 10 feet of the router during initial setup. Open the app and tap Add Device, then choose the Wi-Fi camera option. Follow on-screen pairing. Either scan the camera QR code or enter the camera ID manually. Grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions when prompted by the app. Enter the 4 GHz Wi-Fi password carefully and confirm connection. Allow the app to download and install any available firmware updates for stability. Name the camera with a short, clear label, like living room or front door. After pairing, update security by changing the default admin password and enabling two-factor login. Configure motion sensitivity, recording length, and set recording schedules for specific hours. Enable push notifications for motion events and adjust notification frequency to avoid alerts overload. Review cloud versus local storage options and insert a micro SD card if you prefer local recording. If the camera shows offline, reboot it. Check Wi-Fi credentials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.